In this video, we're going to use the rules on the right to simplify an algebraic expression involving radicals or rational exponents. Now, the two are one and the same, and so if we can write it in one way, we can write it in the other way. When I'm dealing with these, I like to go ahead and take care of anything weird on the outside first, and so I'm going to take care of this negative sign. And that's just, all it's going to do is it's going to flip everything, just like in this first rule, where if I raise a number to a negative power, I simply just write the fraction, and then the power becomes positive. So this is going to be 1 over 25b to the 8th raised to the 1/2. Okay, so now you have a couple of choices. You can either convert this into radical form and use some rules and radicals to go ahead and simplify. However, what I tend to do on these is I tend to go ahead and distribute this exponent on the outside, which would be using this rule here. This is sometimes called product to a power rule. I think of it as distribution of exponents across multiplication, but hey, everybody's got their own thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each one of these, or I'm going to take the square root of each one of those numbers. I can do that, or I can multiply the exponents. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the exponents. I'm just going to do the distribution right now. This is 25 raised to the 1/2 times b to the 8 times 1/2. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bounce back and forth between colors, so I'm not using too many. There, I'm going to ask myself, okay, what is the square root of 25? And that's 5, so it's 1 over 5. And then 1/2 of 8 is 4. And so this is 5 times b to the 4th. And we have no more negative exponents. We don't want negative exponents. But now we can go ahead and write this in radical form. Well, there are no fractional exponents. If you'll notice down in the bottom two rules, we're dealing in fractional exponents to convert to radicals. Since there are no fractional exponents, we're done. So this is in radical form.